The Blueshift decentralized exchange is launching on Polygon, and we're releasing an incentivized testnet so that you guys and girls out there can try out our platform and give us high quality feedback. We are looking for good feedback, high quality feedback that actually can help improve the decentralized exchange. And all the details are there in the blog post for you. But in this video, I'll go through the steps and the processes of how to connect your MetaMask wallet, fund it with the Matic token using their testnet, and then use it on the decentralized exchange, perform a swap, and provide liquidity on there. So let's get right into it. So first off, go to the testnet DEX. This is at polygontest.blueshift.fi. Here you'll be presented with the swap screen, but the very first thing you need to do is connect your wallet. We have options of connecting MetaMask, NuFi, or Wallet Connect. In this case, I'll be using MetaMask. Now, when you connect your MetaMask wallet, you may be on a different network. I'm on the BNB chain at the moment, and this option here allows you to switch the network. And you click on that, and it will give you the prompt here, and this will pre-configure all of the details that you need to swap over to the Matic connection details here. So Polygon testnet, RPC, Mumbai, Matic Vagil, and all the other chain IDs and the symbols, they're all there for you. So just click approve on that and then switch the network. The dApp will refresh and you are now connected to Polygon. So next you need to go to the Polygon faucet, and you can get to it at faucet.polygon.technology. And here all you need to do is paste in your wallet address, and then you can get some of the Matic tokens there for testing. Now I've already funded my wallet, so if I just go back to the DEX and pull down the token option here, I can see that my wallet does have some Matic in there already. Now here I can now choose a token that I want to swap to, and in this case I'll swap to the Blues token, and I'll put in a little portion there and confirm my swap. MetaMask will come up and it will ask you to confirm the transaction. And we are done. We now have swapped some of our testnet Matic tokens for Blues, which is absolutely fantastic. So now that I have some Blues tokens, I can provide that as liquidity in one of the portfolios. So I'll click on portfolios. Now Blueshift DEX is a little bit different to other decentralized exchanges in that it works from a portfolio-based approach. So this means it has a group or basket of tokens as opposed to single trading pairs. And you can see from this main portfolio here that we have, it's made up of a whole bunch of assets here. We have Matic, Wrapped BTC, Wrapped ETH, Wrapped BNB, Wrapped Ripple, and Wrapped and USD and Blues tokens there. So we have different balances that it's looking for in regards to the share of this particular portfolio. So let's click on add liquidity, and I'll type in a small amount. So let's go 0.03. And there it automatically detects that I do have some Blues tokens that I can provide liquidity for, and the amount of Blue tokens that I need to provide for this amount of USD value. So it's automatically selected it for me. So I'll click on add liquidity, check the details here, everything looks good, and I'll add liquidity in that process. So the MetaMask will come up, and I'll set this amount to the spending cap as default. Click next, approve that. And now I can confirm the transaction. So I'll just go here, check all the details, everything looks good, confirm. And that is done. Really nice, really fast on the Polygon network. So as you can see, it's really easy to configure your wallet for the Polygon network. So fund it with some testnet tokens, connect it to the DEX, perform a swap, and then provide liquidity. And we highly encourage you guys to give it a go, give it a try, and provide us with high quality feedback. We're not looking for feedback such as good DEX, works really well. We're looking for specific UI issues, typos, or bugs that may appear in your user experience. And we really want to improve the DEX as much as possible before we launch on the Polygon network. Now, if you want to find out more information about the Blueshift DEX, our cross-chain mission, and our portfolio-based approach, please visit our website at blueshift.fi.